When you rely on Zebra for your RFID labeling solutions, you can implement RFID technology quickly and see a quick return on your investment while freeing up your IT team to take on more projects. Zebra offers exclusive expertise, quality, and service as your RFID supplies partner. As a leading provider of RFID readers, printers, and labels, we understand how they need to integrate for optimal performance. We are experts in thermal printing materials, so we have the knowledge to recommend the optimal label material for a wide range of assets and the conditions labels will be subjected to. Our BoingTech test equipment can identify the optimal inlay for the surface to be labeled. Through our ZipShip program, we offer one of the largest in-stock selections of RFID labels. Your labels are ready to ship within 24 hours with a minimum order quantity of just one case at competitive prices. Need a custom labeling solution? With our state-of-the-art equipment, Zebra can add just about any antenna and chip combination to any label material. You can expect reliable and consistent performance of your RFID solution when you choose Zebra RFID labels. We utilize the latest chip technology and even offer Zebra-branded inlays that deliver market-leading performance. An ISO 9001 certified RFID supplies provider, Zebra uses quality control processes specific to RFID label manufacturing. Our presses are equipped with readers that validate inlay encoding performance. We carefully follow Zebra printer inlay placement guidelines. Zebra never substitutes materials, so you can be confident you'll get consistent, high-quality print and adhesive performance you can rely on. Look to Zebra as your partner for high-performance, customized RFID label solutions. By relying on our large in-stock inventory, strict quality control processes, and fast shipping capabilities, you can make RFID technology quickly work for you. Visit our supplies page today to learn more about the unique value Zebra offers in RFID supplies.